Hello everyone! Today, we're introducing the Medluxe-2 women's wig from Bono Hair. Designed for ultimate comfort and a natural look. This wig is 100% hand-tied, offering a natural appearance and flexible styling options. Its construction makes it lightweight, breathable, and comfortable for extended wear. Featuring a French lace front, the wig blends seamlessly with the hairline for a natural effect. The stretchable net at the top and back provides extra breathability and comfort, ensuring a snug fit for long-term wear. The Medluxe-2 also has non-slip silicone ear tabs for added security, and an elastic band at the back for easy size adjustment. Made from Chinese virgin hair with a silky texture, the wig comes in lengths from 14 to 22 inches and has a 100% density, perfect for a lightweight, natural look. Available in elegant NB colors to match all styles and skin tones. Contact us for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bono Hair channel for more great options.